the government has launched its war against black money. There are already the opposition parties who've taken the bait and they have been targeting the government. Well, the latest visuals that we are getting for you are that of Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Well, there you have visuals of Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, earlier in the day, he had told during the press conference, and he had cited some media reports saying that Prime Minister Modi and the government had tipped off their friends. And now the Chief Minister seems to have turned up at a bank. Well, we are getting you more details of where exactly the Chief Minister is and what he is doing, but it seems that he is gone to take stock of the situation at a bank and at ATMs. Remember, Rahul Gandhi turned up last night at an ATM as well, saying that I'm here to see the pain and understand the pain of the Aam Aadmi. It seems Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal too is pulling off a similar photo opportunity. He seems to have landed in a bank. Remember, the black money battle has already begun with Rahul Gandhi turning up at an ATM. Later then, we had Prime Minister Modi.
कैश इकोनॉमी इज नॉट इक्वल टू ब्लैक इकोनॉमी। ये सारे लोग टैक्स देते हैं, टैक्स देने वाले लोग हैं, लेकिन अब सारा जो किसान आता है यहाँ पे अपना माल लेके वो बेच।
Well, there you have it. The Chief Minister of Delhi saying a cash economy is not equal to a black economy. Well, remember, there have been a massive war of words that we have been getting. But let's go across to Mohit Bhatt, who joins us with more details on this. Mohit, if you can give us more details of what the Chief Minister said and the ground report that he seems to be taking.
Earlier in the day, Arvind Kejriwal conducted a press conference and he clearly stated that the BJP government and the BJP leaders were already informed that the demonetization of money will take place. So they have already submitted the money into the bank. They clearly stated that there is a nexus between the corporate BJP leaders and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now he has gone to meet the traders at the various parts of Delhi. Right now he is at Azadpur Mandi. He is meeting the people who are waiting outside the queue of the ATM, and he will also meet the traders. So yesterday it was Rahul Gandhi, and today it is Arvind Kejriwal who are turning up for the photo opportunity. And again, a high voltage political drama has started. Arvind Kejriwal has again lashed out at Prime Minister Modi. He said that there are no corporates over here. Prime Minister Modi's friends have already submitted money into the bank. It's the common man who is suffering and is a poor man who has to stand in the line for long hours, and still they are not able to get their money into their hands.
Well, it's quite interesting to see how all of them seem to be rushing to ATMs of late. It was first Rahul Gandhi, then Arvind Kejriwal. But this, interestingly, Mohit, at a time when Finance Minister has been giving assurances and also lashing out specifically at Arvind Kejriwal as well, that this is nothing but rumor mongering.
Well, yes, in fact, yesterday also Amit Shah, while addressing the press, clearly stated that, and he took the name of Arvind Kejriwal, that they are opposing, and they should clarify, are they in support of the terrorists. And today also, Arun Jaitley had a press conference. He clearly stated that the banks are working overtime. The finance ministry is checking over the whole issue, and they are trying that people should not be harassed. They should be tackled, and the bank employees are also working hard. They said that, and now we see that this whole political drama that has started over this issue. Yesterday it was Rahul Gandhi who suddenly turned out at an SBI ATM, and today Arvind Kejriwal is at Azadpur Mandi, and moreover he will not stop there. He will go through various parts of Delhi. After that he might go to the Lakshmi Nagar, where he'll meet the traders also. He'll meet the people who are standing outside the bank, and he'll go to all across the city and meet people. And he is making a political issue out of it. He is attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Well, in fact, let's try and listen in.
माहौल है यहाँ पे किसान अपनी सब्जी और फल बेचने आते हैं, वो सारा कैश में बेचते हैं। उसके बाद यहाँ से सारा रेडी पटरी वाले दुकान वाले खरीद के जाते हैं, उसी से दिल्ली के लोगों को और दूसरे लोगों को सब्जी और फल मिलते हैं। लेकिन जब से ये इन्होंने 500 और हजार के नोट बंद किए हैं, यहाँ पे ऐसा माहौल हो गया है, कब तक उधारी पे काम चलेगा? अगर तुरंत कुछ नहीं किया गया तो सब्जी और फल अगर बंद हो गए तो बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगी। वो नहीं होने चाहिए किसी भी हालत में बंद। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि ये बेचारे जो छोटे छोटे दुकान वाले, ये लेबर, ये सारे ये काला धन कमा रहे हैं क्या? मोदी जी को ये काला धन वाले दिख रहे हैं? अंबानी अडानी नहीं दिख रहे? उनका कुछ नहीं कर रहे अंबानी अडानी का, उनके साथ दोस्ती कर रखी है, और ये बेचारे इन लोगों की जिंदगी हराम कर रखी है। आम आदमी की जिंदगी हराम कर रखी है। तो ये बहुत बड़ा स्कैंडल है जो 500 और 1000 हम भी काला धन रोकना चाहते हैं, उसके खिलाफ नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो किया ये काला धन रोकने के लिए किया, ये बेसिकली बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है और इसको तुरंत बंद किया जाए।
Well, there you have it. The Chief Minister again alleging that it's a huge, big scam which is being launched by the government, saying the government has been favouring and even tipping off. That is the allegation being made by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, that the government has tipped off its own friends and they've managed to dispose of the clash before the big announcement was made on the 8th. In fact, Mohit, if I can come back to you, these are very serious allegations. What is it that the Chief Minister is citing to prove any of these attacks?
Well, we have seen in the past also when any decision or any step is taken by the government, Arvind Kejriwal, when he used to criticize it, he takes the name of Adani and he takes the name of other corporations. Today also we have just heard that he is criticizing Prime Minister Modi. He is saying that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is friends with Adani and Bani and he has been favoring them. He said that the BJP leaders of various parts of the country already knew about this, that the demonetizing will take place, so they submitted their money into the bank. But Arvind Kejriwal did not have any proof, and you can see the language he is using. He is attacking the Prime Minister, and again we have seen that Arvind Kejriwal is waking up
Right.
this issue to corner the BJP on this issue, but BJP has
And also, interestingly,